Igbo ndị ma nje kọnọ na ndị ma njem ọ na-eburu mbata ụbọchị nketa rasị mebe ya na n'ụlọ udo dịrị nwoke udo dịrị nwaanyị ndụ azụ ndụ nwoke ndụ nwaanyị asị ebe enyi na n'ụlọ biko asị m udo dịrị onye ọbụla afịa na anụ Igbo ji eme na asị m ihe ọma ya emelu ndị Igbo niile. So biko taata bụ taata iburukwa na mbata n'ụbọchị nketa maka na okwu ajibata bụ okwu dịrị Maazị Matthias Ezeaku. Maazị Matthias Ezeaku itinye na chalenji si pastọ ọbụla ya ihe ilenwu dagel a okwu ya dị ọna ya na pastọ itinye na date biko unu na-enene vidio ka unu fee ebe ya na the pastor nwere ya na pastọ nke a nwere full conversation regarding the event and the date ha na-abụ fix biko maka na ada adịghị adịkwa egotego aka m kwubere ya sị m ofu mgbọsị ndị amụma baala na ndị amụma ụka ya pụtakwana ka emee nya ka mmalụ ebe ike dị ike ka ike mana nna asị pastọ ọbụla na accept challenge a makwa na ihe melu mgbe gboo jikwa ime ọzọ maka mmadụ ije ebe a mebe onwe ya makwalụ Chukwu ọ na-efe makwa Chukwu ọ na-eje ije mebe so ndị be anyị na-elekere vidiyo ya maka unu.
Hello, Pastor. Good evening. Manyo dia. Manyo TV. Hello, Pastor. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, my brother.
I do. How is everything?
Yeah, fine. Nice family.
Fine. Sorry, I has been calling, but I was not at home then. I went out, just like I told you that once I get up there. But I'm in my house now.
Okay. Thank you.
So you was saying something about the lady with the bow leg, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you were saying that you and your God, your Jesus can heal the leg, right?
Yes, and you know it.
And
I still know it.
okay. So how I want you to fix a date, or should I fix? How is it gonna be? Okay, I can fix a date.
Yes.
Okay. Where is your base?
I'm based in Aba.
Okay. You have a church, right?
Yes, I have ministry.
What is the name of your ministry?
Feed of faith.
Seed of Faith.
Feed of faith.
Feed of Faith.
Yes.
Okay. And your name is
Pastor Ejima.
Pastor Ejima. Which area is your church located in Aba?
Is outreach ministry.
Where?
Outreach. We move around.
Yes, I know. Oh, okay. But which area do you stay in Aba?
I start Obohi.
Obohi. Okay, can we fix it after this Saturday, the next Saturday?
Now you give me 3 weeks gap.
Okay, 3 weeks gap.
Yeah.
Which means after this 29th coming Saturday, then the upper Saturday, then after the upper Saturday, the next 3 upper Saturday coming, right?
Yeah.
Then I will check the date so that I can share it on
Sunday.
Okay, I should put it on Sunday.
Yes.
Okay, that should be next 3 Sunday coming. After this Sunday tomorrow. Then after the other one coming, then the upper one. Cliff, can you help me check? Next 3 Sunday ahead.
Yeah.
But I can hear you.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, because I'm recording what we are saying and I want to upload it on our platform to create awareness as well. So if you have anything to tell the public, go ahead and talk to the public.
I don't have much to say. I know that my God is able to do all things.
Okay.
Yeah, that God cannot do. Nothing that God cannot do.
Okay.
God can raise the dead.
Okay.
God can heal the dead.
Okay.
Are you hearing me?
Yes.
time of Elijah is certain. There are so many people in the Bible, something like that happened. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, you say in time of, I can't hear you, but you say in time of Elijah.
Yes.
Go on, I'm hearing you.
Yes, something like that happened. And at the end of the day, God delivered the people of God.
Okay.
As long as that young lady, if there is any vital something. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah.
So your God can heal the lady, make the bow leg to straight.
Why not? Why not?
And the
God can do more than that.
and the name of your God is Jesus, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. I'm waiting on that should be 16th. The three upper Sunday should be 16th of May.
Yeah.
16th of May, right? Did you check it well? After this Sunday coming, after the other one, the upper third one.
Because we say 3 weeks from now. Today is 22. Today is 22. Then,
I said Sunday. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. Check from tomorrow Sunday to after next one, the upper one, and you are saying 22, 22. Are we talking about 22? Is today Sunday? Why can't you guys be so straight to reasoning?
I was thinking you say 3 weeks from now. No,
7th of this month, not
Okay, Pastor, that should be 7th of next month, okay?
No, it's not 7. Now it's 3 weeks time.
Actually, last time saying it's 3 weeks now.
3 weeks now. Tomorrow is
Tomorrow is Sunday now.
7.
tomorrow is Sunday, being what?
Being 23.
Being 23.
Another week will now go. Another Sunday will 30th.
That's it.
After this 23.
Yeah.
Another Sunday will 30th.
Then
the third one
should be
6th. 7th.
7th. Is 7th. The third Sunday coming is 7th.
Sunday gauge. Tomorrow.
Yeah, the third one, because tomorrow is 23.
Tomorrow is 23.
Then the next Sunday is 30th. Then the next third one is 7th.
Okay, that should be based on Sundays.
Yes.
After
like
tomorrow, 3 weeks gap.
After tomorrow, 3 weeks gap. Okay, let's shift it to 14th.
That is 3 weeks.
14th is okay, right?
Fine.
If it's based on
Okay, thank you, sir. 14th of May.
That's where?
At Onechambo, to be precise.
now, it's now 3
I will send the address.
Which side of Umbo?
New tire market.
Okay, I do come to that market now.
Okay. New tire market.
I do come to that market always.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. So I'm going to share this on our platform to create awareness, okay?
Go ahead.
Thank you.
God bless you.
You can as well send me your picture and your full name and the name of your ministry so I can update our people, okay?
That is my name.
I say you can write me your name. Send me one of your picture. Then write your name on WhatsApp for me. So I will just copy it and paste. Write your name, the name of... Is it?
Pastor Juma is my name.
Okay, Pastor Ejima.
Or Evangelist, anyone.
Okay, Evangelist or Pastor Ejima. Then can you send me one of your picture? Possible?
Do that.
Send it so I will use it up there. So if your God heal that girl, I will serve your God. Me and my family will serve your God to eternity.
Okay, no problem.
If your God...
What are you serving now?
Is it?
Which God are you serving now?
I'm serving Chukwu Okike Abiyama. I don't serve Jesus. I don't believe in Jesus. But if your Jesus heal this girl, me and my children, my family, my household, we follow your Jesus forever.
Well, the truth, okay, I see God in heaven, right?
Is it?
The Chukwukabiama, is it God in heaven?
Yes, the creator, Chukwokike, whom your ancestors, just like your name. What is your Igbo name?
That is the same God that I'm serving too.
But you serve Jesus as his son, right?
And God is one.
No, Jesus and God is not one in my own belief. In your own belief, they are one. In my own belief, they are not one. So if your belief hail the girl, now I will come to your belief. It's a simple mathematics. Okay?
Yes. Same God now, we witness it now.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Witness it.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Pastor Ejima, I appreciate. Thank you.
God bless you, sir.
Thank you. I'm waiting for your picture, okay? Thank you.
Bobi Igbo eji m n'aka unu necha na vidio asị m ebe onye nọ na-anụ unu m udo dịrị nwoke udo dịrị nwaanyị biko nyere anyị aka share vidio nyere anyị aka tile anyị aka na the share button ka ị na-eshare kwa vidio ka ị na-agba notification gị na-enweta notification mgbe ọbụla anyị tiri vidio ọfụ ka ọ dị na mgbe ọzọ